Hello guys, welcome to my channel Code with V, and I am V, and in today's video we will be learning on how to set up the environment for PHP and MySQL development. So first let's see how to set up PHP for our system. So go to your browser and type XAMPP. So you can see the first link as XAMPP installers and downloads for Apache friends. Click that link. So XAMPP is the most powerful PHP development environment, which is a completely free and easy to install Apache distribution containing MariaDB, PHP and Perl. So the XAMPP is an open source package has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. So, XAMPP is a collection of a package consisting of Apache server, MySQL database, PHP, and Perl in it. So, we can use it for multiple platforms like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'm using Windows and I'm installing Windows package. If you're using Linux or Mac OS, try these kind of packages. So, just click this button. So here they are saying your download will start automatically. So just wait for a few seconds. So the download has been started. Now the installation has been completed. So I just double click this file. So in the setup page, just click next. So choose a folder to install this exam package. You can choose of your own, and I'll just leave the default folder and choose the languages you need. I just leave it as English. And now we need to just give this next button for installation. So the installation takes some time. For using this PHP, we need a text editor or a notepad or any kind of IDEs like Visual Studio Code or NetBeans. So for my videos, I will use Visual Studio Code. Let me show how to install them. Open your browser, type Visual Studio Code. So go to this code.visualstudio.com. So here there is they have given us download for Windows. So just click that. The download will be started. Yeah, the download has been started. So the Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Let's install them. At first, we have to accept the agreement. So choose I accept the agreement and then click next. Now you can specify the location for the application. So I'm just keeping it as the default application shown. So I wish to create a desktop icon. So I have selected that and then click next. Now then click install. So the installation also has done for the text editor. Just give finish. In Visual Studio Code for PHP, you can download extensions in this extensions marketplace here by just searching for PHP. You can download this PHP debug, PHP IntelliFence, PHP extension pack, PHP server for running the server from the editor itself. So, whatever kind of things will be useful for making your code work simple, you can just use them. So, next step we have to do is to set up the location to the text editor for using these kind of PHP server within our environment means we need to specify the path. So, once exam gets installed, we will do the rest of the work. So the exam has been installed successfully. Now just click finish. So don't worry about this red cross marks or the stick marks. It doesn't matter. So here in this panel you can see Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. So the main thing we are going to use throughout our entire application will be this Apache service and the MySQL service for web server as well as the database. So first in PHP, while to run our PHP or to host our application, you need to start the Apache server. So after started, it will show a green signal here. And for MySQL, if you are using a database to connect your web application, you need to start this MySQL service in this control panel. After that, you can run them. So let it be as started. Now we need to set up the PHP to our Visual Studio Code, right? So go to File. In File, you can see Preferences. In Preferences, choose Settings. In Settings, you can see the extensions here. Click that. In Extensions, you can find PHP. So I just click PHP. In PHP, you can see this validate enable. I just enable this. And the main part is in PHP validate, you can you will see the executable path here. In that below, you can see the link for edit in settings.json. So click that option. It will show a JSON file. In this, you need to put your PHP files path in this php.debug.php executable path, as well as in php validate.executable path. So where you need to find this path means just go to your file explorer. So my exam is located in C drive. So I'm going to C drive. In that I can see the exam folder located here. So choose that. In that you can see the PHP folder. So inside the PHP folder, you will see the PHP's application, which is the php.exe. So this will be the path for that both variables. So just copy this path and you can paste it here. And after pasting that, you should definitely mention the php.exe here also, because while copying that path, it won't be shown. So you have to mention the php.exe here without fail. So after that, you can just save this file and you can leave this. So next, after if you are using PHP server for running the server from the text editor itself means you will see the option as PHP server configuration. In that also you have to mention the applications file here, the same path to be mentioned here also in PHP path. Okay. So this is the setup in of PHP into the editor. As the settings are done, now we need to start to create our files and we need to run our web application, right? For that, you need to keep all your folders belonging to your projects or that web application inside this htdocs folder. So you can just create a new folder here, name it anything as you wish. I'm naming it as code with V. Inside this folder, I'm just gonna create whatever kind of projects I'm going to create. It will be stored in this folder itself. So we came to the end of the session. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the concept of setting up the environment for PHP and MySQL in your system. If you enjoyed this video, then give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated with future tutorials. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. Your feedback is highly appreciated. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tech related contents. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!